how to fix your low GPU users and your FPS drop, stuttering, freezing your game while playing. I will help you to fix those problems in this video. So first, go to your search, go to settings, and once you are in the settings, go to your system. Alright, scroll down and go to about. Now here in this section, you will find this advanced system settings. Go here and this will pop up. Alright, from here go to advanced, then settings, then again advanced, and then change. So now as you can see, it's automatically managed. Just uncheck this option, and now we will have to do some alright, so go to custom size, and in this box it says initial size. You will have to just type this size. Okay, so it's 292.907, and now in this box you will have to do some calculation. So if you have a 16 GB RAM, and this will be the calculation. So let me show you. So what we have to do, so if you have a 16 GB RAM, so just click 16 into 1024 into 3. So this is the number you will have to put here if you have 16 GB RAM, and if you have 4 GB RAM, then you need to multiply 4 with 3 times. Alright, so this will be the 3 times. Alright, so this is 4 into 1024, which is like MB to GB converting, and then into 3. So if you have 4 GB RAM, then you need to paste this number here, and if you have 8 GB RAM, then just simply type 8 into 1024 into 3 times. Right, so this will be the number you need to type here. So, and if you have for example, if you have like some custom RAM, so just type the number. For example, if you have something like 25, just type the number and multiply by 1024 and multiply by 3 times. So in my case, I have 16 GB RAM. So if you want to check what is your RAM, you need to go to my computer, just press properties, and here you will find your RAM size. Right, this is the RAM size of your computer if you don't have an idea of your RAM. So once you find your RAM, so mine is 16 GB, so 1024 into 3 times. So this will be the number I have to paste. So let's copy and paste it. Don't have to paste the comma, and from here now just press OK. So it says I need to restart my computer. So this is the first step you need to do in order to fix your low GPU users, and this is the first step. Right, so let me show you the second step, what you need to do to fix your FPS drops. So second step will be go to your search and go to graphics settings. So here you will find this option. Alright, this will be disable, or you say off. You need to on these settings, and as well you need to on these settings as well. Alright, by default it might be disabled in your computer, and this is the second step you need to do. And let me show you the third step you need to do in order to fix your gaming problems. Go to search again and go to settings, the same settings I have done before. Go to system and again about, and from here go to advanced settings and advanced. So here as you can see it says let Windows choose. So it's the animation, for example these are the animation, this okay. You need to disable this, and make sure if you disable this your Windows will look like trash, but it will help you to increase your performance while doing simple tasks. So you can choose this. So once you have choose this best performance mode, just press apply, then OK. So after completing these 3 steps, after you have done completing these 3 steps, your gaming performance will be increased, and also your low GPU uses will be solved. So yeah, hope this video was helpful. Then please share your thoughts if this got fixed, if I was able to fix your problem or not. And yeah, if you have any problem, please write down in the comments. I will try to solve it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.